To be young and in love in New York City.
Did you know?
Did you know?
Did you know?
Did you know?
Did you know that we can make an improvised emergency oil candle using only the materials where you can find in your homes?
With the pandemic we are experiencing now, we have become more practical in everything, especially in terms of food and needs. Because the rainy season is approaching again in our country, we will not be able to avoid power outage in our areas. Many of us also experience power outage in their respective areas, especially in Candaba. Also, in our area, there is often a power outage, and one reason for that is the damage to the power lines that must be repaired or replaced. So the Pelco company is forced to cause a temporary power outage in the affected areas.
So, we come up with an idea. Why don't we make an improvised candle that is affordable and easy to make?
First, gather all materials needed. A clean glass jar, Q-tips with wooden stick or toothpick, and a cotton, rock salt, and the last, cooking oil.
So, let's begin. First, get a clear jar. Next, get some rock salt. Whether it's a rock salt or commercial salt, it doesn't matter because they are both works fine. It is used as the filler so that the whole jar isn't filled with pure oil. Plus, it helps to stabilize our wick or the Q-tips with wooden sticks. Next step was adding cooking oil. Use cheap stuff as we are only burning this. You can even use cooking oil that you use for frying. But do not use the ones you fried for the fish or anything else with strong odor, or else your house will smell awful. Wait for the salt to absorb the oil. Then, add more oil with about 1/4 inch of oil above the salt.
Next step was add the wick. We use a wooden Q-tip. Make sure to use the wood and not plastic. If you do not have Q-tips, you can use toothpick or a matchstick, then wrap with a bit of cotton at one end. Stick the Q-tip at the center of the glass jar, leaving the head of the Q-tip exposed. The wood and cotton will absorb the oil from the glass jar slowly, which will fuel or fired later.
All we have to do just now is light up the fire. Our oil candle is ready for use. This burns much longer than our regular candle. This improvised candle will last for 2 days or more. The wick might take time to light up. That is because the wick is very slowly transporting oil from the bottom to the top.
This is how our oil candle will look like. The wick is bigger than the regular candles, so the light it emits it's much brighter.
And when the lights getting dimmer, it means you need to refill the glass jar with oil. Just maintain the 1/4 inch above the salt. And this is our improvised emergency oil candle.